runner-up will receive a cash prize of 500 pesos to be awarded by our judges. Ikaw ang ating first runner-up candidate. Candidate number 3 from Fuego Vixen. Wala pa naman dyan. Music naman dyan. Alright, picture po sa ano.